Hello and welcome. I'm on the lot at Chevy. Let's take a look at a Bolt and let's make a comparison. There's two Bolts here. This is the electric car by Chevrolet. Let's get right into it here. Michelin's 215/50 R17s. All right, this is a Premier. Okay, so look at this. 44,130. 44,130. Even with the 7,500 bucks off, you're deep in the high 30s here. Okay, for this car, electric car. Now, what can you get for that kind of money? You can get this. You can get the Chevy Camaro LT. Okay, LT1 Camaro. But we can go over here to a Bolt and get a little bit more reasonable priced Bolt if you want. It's white, and they have it plugged in conveniently to show you exactly what they're talking about. This Bolt, $39,790. It makes it just a few $1,000s less than the Camaro. But this is an LT. It doesn't get all the niceties, all the good stuff of the Premier. It does get the driver confidence package and a lot of stuff like that. You have over 250-mile range now on these cars. And this is how they plug in. That's pretty convenient. Most Chevy dealers have a plug for these cars, okay? Most of them do. This one's in white. And then the Premier right here. Still, not great, because look at the other thing. They tout this, as an American. These are America's electric cars. These are our greatest cars made right here in America. Well, American content is only 24%. Yeah, the final assembly isn't here in America, but the engine, right, the motor for it, and the transmission are made in Korea. Virtually, the cars just, if they send a few parts here and screw them together. That's exactly what they're doing. For the same money, you could get this. Even after rebates on this Premier, the tax rebate, you can get this Camaro LT1. All right, now we're talking. That seems more like America. $36,590 sticker on this one, okay? So no problem. And this has a 6.2-liter V8 and a 10-speed automatic. This at $16,227 on this. Right, well, Martha, you don't have to use any gas. Yeah, you gotta plug it into the Chevy dealer. Okay, how awesome is that? So for the money, you could get a Bolt Premier with a tax rebate or a Camaro LT1, which is 66% US content. Okay, so unlike the Bolt, which they say is America, which it really isn't. So don't be fooled. This one's sitting on Goodyear Eagles. So much better. So you decide that, okay? This one's 62 grand. The convertible's a little more money, but for the money, the Bolt or the Camaro. Decide, and thanks for watching.